And so this concludes day one of rehearsal for Hamlet the Rock musical, and now I just need someone to pass the torch on to... Oh, hey! Hey, girl! Do you want to do the Instagram takeover figure out?
I mean, I'm down. I'd be happy to do that.
Awesome.
Yeah.
You are gonna need these. I promise you. Good luck. See you later.
Okay, girl. Hi. My name is Fatima, and I will be playing Ophelia. Come on, I'm going to show you around today. So much fun and laughter and light and love all around. It's really the perfect place, honestly. Here we are, back at Madeline Clark, with a few essentials how to get through rehearsal days. Here we go. A tissue, just in case you gotta wipe up, touch up, keep it nice and clean. Baby wipes, in case you really gotta get it clean, get a little moisture in there, just wipe it all off. Works like a charm. Chapstick and lotion. Moisturization. Very important. We are in LA. It is a desert. It is dry. All right? Scrunchies, because when you gotta get down to the nitty gritty, this is Shakespeare after all. All right? Can't mess around. Pull that hair back and get down to it. Tylenol for the pain. Sometimes it's always worth it. Tea, ginger. Good for the voice. Highlighter and pencil. And finally, some Band-Aids. Some more Band-Aids. A little bit more. And just in case, some more Band-Aids. Now, on days when it's really long and you know, you can't make it back home, not to worry. Just throw your clothes in the washer and dryer, stay the night, you'll be good to go. When it gets hot, in the desert, take a moment, relax. All right, folks, that is the end of day 2 at Hamlet the Rock musical. We are so happy here at Madeline Clark. We feel so welcomed. The amenities are wonderful, and we'll see you tomorrow. Over and out.